Okay, this is gonna be short and sweet. My rims were all corroded up. This is the other one. I just did this on a whim. I put this rust inhibitor stuff from Rust-Oleum right here. I put it on the other rim, just like that one. This was only a few minutes ago. I wiped it on with this little brush I got from a plumbing supply store. It's like it's a flux. And then I took a wet paper towel and wiped it down a little bit. A few minutes later, it looks like that. This was all rusted. This was like so rusted up, it wasn't even unbelievable. This car's a 2004. I put that, again, I put this Rust-Oleum stuff on it. It made it look like this overnight. I mean, I think it happened within an hour, but I did it late, so I didn't get back to it. This stuff is unbelievable. I put it on these. Now they're all, I wire brushed them first. The brackets. I'm gonna paint them blue and I'm gonna put them on the car.